Okay, this video is how to use the import template. Example is using this customer, or you can call it company import template. So we will have one tab, which is called import definition. This is a macros in involved template. So first thing is enable macro. And then go here and take a look. So those are all the fields we can import to Fieldpoint. Okay, those are the column name. Column A is column name. Column B is the type. Column C is if that's a mandatory required field from Fieldpoint. Column D is the one we are going to look at. So it's called use optional. This one means if you want to use that in your import file. Whenever there is a require, you must say, yes, we want to use that. The same for others like this. But for example, for this SIC code, it's not a required one, but if you want to import SIC code, you're going to choose true for use optional. All right, so let me do this check very quickly. So we need time zone. All the other thing, we don't need it. And then pick up the items you want to use. For example, you want to import the mail to address, or for example, ship to address or bill to address. So in that case, example, mail to, right? So first is mail to address is true. Mail to address code is true because I want to set up my own. Otherwise, it will always apply the default primary. And then is address one, address two. I want to import a city as well, state as well, zip code, country, and I don't want phone number or something else. So that's it. That's everything I want. Once I figure out what is the column I want to import, the next thing is to generate the worksheet to import. You can see here we have a button, but because of the version issue, we cannot just simply run this macros, macro, macros. I don't know how to pronounce. So we are going to use this one, view macros, and then run the create import datasheet. All right, and then because of that click, the script will create a tab which is called data import. The column, it will pick based on this column D. Everything is true, it will be populated here. So column 2 will be the start column, row 2 will be the start row to import into Fieldpoint.